A dripping spout or shower head or hard to turn on-off knob are clear indications that the headpiece needs replacing. We'll be using a 9000E to show you how to go about it, but the principle's the same with any of FM Mattsson's range of taps. Turn off the incoming water before you start. Carefully prise loose the cover plate using a small screwdriver. To remove the knob, unscrew the Phillips screw under the plate. Remove the black guidance ring if you have a mixer from the latest 9000E series. The ring is part of the echo flow function, which limits the water flow through a button mechanism to save money and the environment. The cover in the 9000 series is much smaller. Remove it using a small screwdriver and then unscrew and remove the knob. The on-off knob on the Garda series is removed by first pulling out the lever fitted to the knob. If it's stuck hard, wrap a wet towel around it and draw it outwards with a polygrip wrench. Unscrew the Phillips screw on the side of the white inner sleeve. Pull out the sleeve and the green echo flow ring. Use an adjustable spanner to loosen the headpiece. Remove it and screw in a new headpiece. Tighten firmly. With the 9000, you don't change the entire headpiece, just the innermost part, the tap washer. Put the black guidance ring back into place. The two stop lugs should be positioned at approximately 10 and 5 o'clock. Turn the spindle clockwise to its top position and then put the knob back on. The override button should now be positioned on a level with the FM Mattsson brand name on the mixer tap housing. Finally, put the knob back on as well as the cover plate, applying pressure. The procedure with a Garda mixer tap is as follows. Twist the spindle to the closed position. Attach the green echo flow ring, ensuring that the lug is in line with the FM Mattsson brand name on the housing. Fit the white inner sleeve so that the hole on its side is also in line with the name. Tighten the Phillips screw holding the inner sleeve. Finally, put the knob back on and press the lever back into place. Turn on the water again and test by running water through the tap, check for leakages and that the knob operates smoothly.
Ask someone.